If you're over 65 and looking to enhance your safety or level up your shooting experience, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be diving into the 30 best gun gadgets every senior needs that are perfect to make firearm ownership safer, more practical, and enjoyable. From cutting-edge safety devices to smart storage solutions and maintenance tools that keep everything in top shape, there's something here for everyone. And don't worry, whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, these gadgets are tailored to fit your needs. Be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned, and stick around till the end because the final gadget is a must-have for ultimate safety and security. Starting out, number 1 on our list is Biometric Slider Handgun Safe. You can keep your handgun secure yet accessible with the Biometric Slider Handgun Safe. This innovative safe is designed to provide quick access while ensuring maximum security. It's ideal for gun owners who prioritize safety and convenience, especially in households with children. Featuring a sleek slider design with biometric technology, it allows rapid fingerprint recognition for authorized users. This safe is perfect for nightstands, desks, or concealed mounting options, making it a discreet yet reliable solution for firearm storage. Next up is the slip-on recoil pad. Recoil bothering you? Say goodbye to shoulder pain with this innovative recoil pad. The slip-on recoil pad is a simple yet effective solution for reducing firearm recoil. It's perfect for avid shooters or beginners who want to protect their shoulders. With its easy slip-on design and durable, shock-absorbing material, this pad fits most gun stocks snugly and stays in place during use. The lightweight construction ensures it doesn't add unnecessary bulk or weight. On our number 3 spot, we have the Gun Cleaning Snake. The Gun Cleaning Snake is a lightweight and compact cleaning tool designed to simplify firearm maintenance. It's a convenient pull-through system that efficiently cleans barrels, removing debris and residue in seconds. Perfect for firearm enthusiasts, this cleaning snake ensures your weapon stays in top condition, enhancing performance and longevity. Its durable material and portable design make it an essential addition to your cleaning kit. Moving on to our 4th gadget, we have the Silica Gel Canister. Keep your valuables dry and in top condition with this reusable silica gel canister. Perfect for keeping moisture away from firearms, ammunition, and other sensitive equipment, this canister absorbs excess humidity, preventing rust and corrosion. Designed with an indicating feature to show when it's time to recharge, this gel canister offers reliable protection for all your gear, ensuring that your items remain in pristine condition for years to come. The number 5 gadget on our list is called the Strikeman Marksman Kit. Prep like a pro with the Strikeman Marksman Kit, an innovative training system for gun enthusiasts. This kit provides everything you need for laser-based target practice, helping you improve your accuracy and shooting skills from the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to expensive range fees and hello to convenient, high-quality practice with this must-have training tool for gun owners. At number 6, we have Walker's Earmuffs. Protect your hearing while enjoying outdoor activities with Walker's Earmuffs. Whether you're at the shooting range or working in a noisy environment, these earmuffs provide effective noise reduction without compromising awareness of your surroundings. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the advanced sound compression technology amplifies safe sounds while dampening harmful noise levels. These earmuffs are a must-have for hunters, shooters, and anyone needing reliable hearing protection. Next up is the GunSafe Mini Dehumidifier. Worried about moisture damaging your firearms? Here's your solution. The GunSafe Mini Dehumidifier is a compact, rechargeable device designed to keep your valuables dry and safe. Ideal for gun safes, cabinets, and drawers, it prevents rust and mildew buildup. Featuring a cordless operation and a visual humidity indicator, this gadget is incredibly easy to use. Once it absorbs maximum moisture, simply recharge it for continued protection. At number 8, we feature the Laser Range Finder. The Laser Range Finder is a precise and high-performance tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers magnification, angle compensation, and rapid distance measurements, making it perfect for hunting, shooting, or golfing. This gadget combines accuracy and ease of use, ensuring you hit your target every time. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an excellent companion for your next outdoor adventure. Next up, we have the Tough Glide Dry Lube. Get smooth, long-lasting protection for your firearms with Tough Glide Dry Lube. This lubricant is designed to reduce wear and friction while keeping your gun clean and running smoothly. Perfect for gun owners and enthusiasts, this dry lube prevents buildup and can be applied with ease, ensuring your firearm stays in excellent condition for the long haul. The number 10 gadget on our list is called the Magnetic Gun Mount. Store your firearm with ease and style using the Magnetic Gun Mount. This sleek and powerful mount securely holds your gun in place while keeping it easily accessible. Whether in your home or vehicle, this mount provides quick access and a safe, discreet storage solution. Say goodbye to cluttered storage and hello to a clean, organized space with this essential accessory for gun owners. Number 11 is the Strikeman Dry Fire Laser Training Cartridge. Enhance your shooting skills safely and conveniently with the Strikeman Dry Fire Laser Training Cartridge. This innovative device allows you to practice your aim and trigger control without live ammunition. It's perfect for firearm enthusiasts looking to improve their accuracy at home. The cartridge fits standard firearms and emits a laser when the trigger is pulled, providing instant feedback. It's a cost-effective and safe way to refine your shooting technique while saving on ammo costs. Next up is the P365 Magazine Loader. Tired of sore fingers from loading magazines? This tool makes reloading effortless. The P365 Magazine Loader is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to save time and effort. It's designed for 365 magazines, ensuring a perfect fit every time. With a lever-assisted mechanism, it allows for quick, smooth, and pain-free loading. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for range sessions or EDC setups. On our number 13 spot, we have the Biometric Gun Safe. The Biometric Gun Safe offers state-of-the-art security with fingerprint recognition technology for quick and easy access. It's perfect for storing firearms, keeping them secure and out of reach of unauthorized individuals. This advanced safe is compact, easy to install, and ensures your valuables are protected with reliable biometric security, offering peace of mind for gun owners. Our 14th pick is the Gun Rack. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your guns organized and accessible, the Gun Rack is the perfect solution. This magnetic rifle rack securely holds your firearms in place and makes it easy to grab them when needed. Designed for gun owners who value efficiency and organization, this rack is made from durable materials, ensuring it can hold your rifles safely and securely. The number 15 gadget on our list is called the Ultrasonic Gun Cleaner Solution. Clean your firearms with precision using the Ultrasonic Gun Cleaner Solution. This powerful formula is designed for ultrasonic cleaners, breaking down dirt, oil, and carbon buildup so your firearms stay in top condition. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to effortless gun cleaning with this must-have solution for firearm maintenance. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 16 on our list is PMAG Wall Mount. This tool is perfect to organize your magazines efficiently with the PMAG Wall Mount. This durable wall-mounted holder is designed for streamlined magazine storage, keeping them secure and easily accessible. Ideal for gun enthusiasts and shooting range setups, the wall mount saves space while providing a professional and organized appearance. Its robust design ensures longevity and reliability. Next up is the Steel Safety Practice Rounds. Ever worried about practicing with live ammunition? These safety rounds are the answer. The Steel Safety Practice Rounds are designed for dry firing, drills, and safe handling training. Ideal for beginners or experienced shooters, they mimic the size and weight of real rounds without the risk Made of durable steel, those practice rounds can withstand repeated use. Their bright color ensures they're easy to distinguish from live ammo. At number 18, we have the Rifle Sling. The Rifle Sling is a durable, adjustable two-point sling that allows hands-free carrying of your rifle, offering comfort and stability during long outings. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or shooting, this sling keeps your firearm secure and easily accessible. The padded design ensures comfort during extended wear, making it perfect for those who spend a lot of time outdoors. At number 19, we have the cable wire locks. Ensure that your firearms are securely locked with the cable wire locks. These locks are designed to offer an extra layer of protection by keeping your gun safe from unauthorized access. Perfect for gun owners who want to meet safety standards or simply keep their firearms secured in a variety of settings. The cable locks are easy to use, portable, and reliable. The number 20 gadget on our list is called the Gun Cleaning Kit. Maintain your firearms with ease using the Gun Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to keep your gun in top working condition, from brushes to patches to oils. Say goodbye to dirty barrels and hello to smooth, reliable performance with this all-in-one cleaning solution for gun owners. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gun gadgets are going to blow your mind. On number 21, we have the gun rack and rifle storage. Showcase and store your firearms with the gun rack and rifle storage. This versatile display rack is perfect for securely holding rifles and shotguns. It's ideal for avid collectors or hunters who want an elegant and practical storage solution. The rack features a durable construction with a stylish design, making it suitable for both home and range use. Keep your firearms organized, accessible, and displayed with pride. Next up is the pistol light. Struggling with visibility in low light conditions, this tactical light has you covered. The pistol light is a compact, gun-mounted flashlight that ensures clear visibility in the dark. Perfect for home defense or tactical scenarios, it mounts securely to most pistols. With its lightweight design, high lumen output, and easy-to-operate controls, this light is a valuable addition to your firearm. At number 23, we present the Kydex holster. The Kydex holster is a lightweight, durable holster designed to securely hold your firearm, offering both comfort and convenience. Its adjustable fit ensures it accommodates various firearm models, providing a snug and secure hold. This holster is perfect for everyday carry, ensuring your weapon is always easily accessible while remaining securely holstered at all times. Next on our list is the biometric trigger lock. Protect your firearm with cutting-edge biometric technology. This biometric trigger lock ensures that only authorized users can access their firearm, providing a higher level of security. Perfect for gun owners concerned about safety and unauthorized access. This lock uses a fingerprint scanner for quick, secure access, ensuring peace of mind. The number 25 gadget on our list is called the Gun Cleaning Mat. Protect your workspace with the Gun Cleaning Mat. This anti-slip mat provides a safe and stable surface for disassembling and cleaning your firearms, preventing damage to your workbench or gun. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a tidy, organized cleaning station with this essential mat for gun owners. Number 26 is the Belly Band Holster. Carry your firearm discreetly and comfortably with the Belly Band Holster. This versatile holster is perfect for concealed carry enthusiasts who value comfort and accessibility. Designed to fit most handguns, it offers a secure yet flexible waistband fit, ensuring your firearm stays in place during daily activities. It's an excellent choice for individuals seeking a lightweight and comfortable concealed carry option. Next up is the tactical rubber grips. Looking for a better grip on your firearm? This sleeve gives you a firm hold. The tactical rubber grips are ventilated sleeves designed to enhance your firearm's grip. They're perfect for anyone needing better control during shooting. The durable, non-slip rubber material is comfortable and easy to install, making it a reliable upgrade for your gear. At number 28, we have the shooting glasses. The shooting glasses are designed to protect your eyes during shooting activities. Made from durable polycarbonate, these glasses provide UV protection while offering a comfortable, snug fit. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor shooting environments, these glasses help prevent eye strain and injury, ensuring you stay focused and safe while aiming. Number 29, we have the Otis Microfiber Gun Cloth. Keep your firearm looking pristine with the Otis Microfiber Gun Cloth. This highly effective cloth is designed to clean and maintain your gun while preventing scratches or damage to the surface. Perfect for gun owners who take pride in the appearance of their firearms, this cloth is a must-have in your cleaning kit for a smooth, polished finish every time. Our final gadget on Outlist is called the Kinetic Ultimate Bundle. Stay prepared with the Kinetic Ultimate Bundle, a less lethal self-defense solution. This bundle offers everything you need for personal protection, including a non-lethal launcher and powerful projectiles. Say goodbye to dangerous confrontations and hello to peace of mind with this comprehensive self-defense kit. And there you have it. We hope these 30 gun gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for your safety. And if you want to know more about self-defense gadgets to make your travel and stay at home safer, then click this next video and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.